Ka Jingkren Halor ka Jingdon kita ki high level hapo ka jala Meghalaya kani ka kinti ka lapau pajba sa ka yeng shong dorbar ka bahe du hapo kari par kani ka de ka por baki MP ka Lok Sabha kinang shong haka dorbar mangtingka MP Lok Sabha na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon habayo panyashim benta ka 0R notice ula kren Halor ka Jingdon kita ki high level hapo ka jala par kani ka de Halor ka mat ka bau wanra kabayday padu Dewïong habakren Halor ka Jingdon kita ki high level Dr. Ricky Ulaong pakajala kamad ikajing bat kajing sha khang ti Dewïong hak NGT nadu snam arjar khatsau para kajing sha khang ti Dewïong ki don pat ki kinhon ki batep kum ki high level ki bapen khen ye kani badru bat pentep bawat ka sarkar jalaru kamla ban pentrekam ya ka hukum ka NGT.
Madam Chairperson, for allowing me to speak. Madam, the future, whether good or bad, depends on our action today. On this note, I would like to, through you, Madam Speaker, to remind that in 2014, NGT had imposed a ban on mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya. However, it is very unfortunate that till today there are a group of people known in our state as high level who have continuously and blatantly violated this ban, and even the government machinery which is supposed to ensure the enforcement of this ban have failed miserably to enforce this ban. And the leading newspaper of Meghalaya, Shillong Times, dated 26/3/2025, reported that more than 1.92 lakh metric tons of illegal coal have been detected.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya